Hello there, 12th episode of Business with Tanmay, and today's topic is what kind of business should you start? So let's get started with our topic. I am not going to lie to you. Starting any business takes a lot of time, effort, money, and commitment. When you're working hard and dedicating time and effort to starting a company, you want to make sure it is the right kind of business for you. Some people's personalities makes them a great candidate for the education industry, a quick service restaurant, or anything. But with so many options, it can be tough to you to know what kind of business to pursue with your hard-earned money and valuable time. So here are a few tips for you. Number 1, what are you passionate about? Now, I have always been passionate about making an impact on the next generation. It gets me excited and motivates me. What are you passionate about? What's the thing that you are always thinking about? What makes you happy? Assess what excites you and what does not. Number 2, what are the current businesses, models, and industry trends? So I'm not saying that you should start a business just because it is trendy, but paying attention to the popularity of an industry is a great way to see if your business would be feasible. Number 3, assess your skills and abilities. Now, self-awareness is a real superpower. Knowing what you're good at and what you're not can make all the difference in your success. Are you detail oriented, or do detail make you break out in hives? So define yourself and start accordingly. Number 4, how involved do you want to be in the business? So do you want to just hire a manager and walk away, or do you love the idea of actively being a part of your business? Some business models, like my companies, require more active ownership because they involve getting to know clients on a personal level. But some B2B businesses or highly systemized personal service type brands could be a better fit if you are looking to hire a full-time manager and be a more absent owner. But I personally believe that businesses, especially new ones, benefit from having the owner take a more active full-time role. I have seen the most success come from the businesses that have an involved owner for the first several years. Number 5, what is your biggest ROI? Return on investment. So what do you view as the biggest return on your investment in your business? Time with your family, flexibility with your work schedule, or leaving a legacy? Money has never been my biggest motivator. Instead, I always seen my ROI as the ability to spend free time doing what I love. After reviewing these questions, I hope you find some clarity on your values, priorities, and motivation to better narrow down the right business for you. Owning a business is incredibly rewarding, and it is the most rewarding to own a business that is a great fit for you, your personality, and skill set. Thank you.